When I moved to the country a few months ago, I brought a dream, a vision to turn this quiet patch of grass into something meaningful. A neighbor came by to help me break the ground. He worked with care, understanding this wasn't just about a garden. It was personal to me. Now the earth was ready, and I could almost hear it saying to me, "Let's make something special here." I planted 10 fruit trees: pears, plum, apricot, pawpaws, persimmons, and cherry. My future orchard. I felt the land smiling and working with me to bring this new life here. It seemed to share my dream. There's a simple beauty in working the land, something quiet and grounding, something almost forgotten in our modern life. But out here, it feels very natural. I came across more rocks than I expected, each one a reminder that building something meaningful takes effort and hard work. And along the way, I found some unexpected friends, like this little fella, who loved to keep me company as I worked, and loved my treats. Then came the protection, 32 post holes dug, one by one, to raise a barrier against the deer and shelter all the plants that would grow within. The posts stood tall, quietly guarding the future garden. As I fastened the deer netting into place, I felt the rhythm of the work, the steady motions keeping me grounded in the moment. With each staple, I felt a little more connected to the land and a little more aware of how big a journey I really had just begun. Yet in this simple beginning, I could already see my dream starting to unfold. Riding home, I felt the weight of this moment, a new life, a fresh beginning, and finding my place in a land that now feels like home. Feel free to join me as I begin planting the garden and slowly shape this country dream into a reality.